Have you been to Amsterdam before? Or?
10 years ago.
Oh, nice.
Flew out to Croatia with some friends.
Oh, cool.
And then just took the trains through Europe.
Oh, nice.
Back home.
Nice. And you're from where again?
From London.
Nice, okay.
Like by the time we got to Amsterdam, it was like our last stop before going home. I just had no money.
Exactly, like, might as well go home now.
Yeah, stayed 3 days, could afford like accommodation and just about some food.
As long as you have your ticket, you know what I'm saying, paid for it, it's fine. You know.
Yeah, exactly. The train tickets were already paid for, so that was fine. Like no money for any museums, no money to really do very much.
Yeah, just kind of like walk around and.
Got some mushrooms, hung out in the park one night. That was pretty.
Nice.
That was pretty dope. But yeah, the rest of the time we kind of like hang out, live on the store, go out for meals, like as cheap as possible.
Nice. The real backpack experience.
It was August at the time, so it was really beautiful.
Okay.
It's full of people, and you could just like sit out in a square and like get one coffee and stay there for like 4 hours.
Nice.
Just hang out, play cards or whatever.
The architecture is pretty dope. Like this in general, like the whole architecture, like really cool.
Yeah, it's just a nice atmosphere as well. It's like you can sort of feel that like it's been reasonably liberal for 100 years.
Yeah. Oops, sorry. Oh, wow. Oh, crap.
That's the damn square I told you about, about
The
pigeons?
pigeons?
Yeah.
Nice.
Get ready. That's the royal palace.
So, okay, so, but when you say royal, I thought there wasn't like kings and queens and stuff.
Yeah.
Was it like some like
it's a monarchy here.
Oh, I thought, oh, is that recent? Like, 'cause she was saying like it was like families and there wasn't really like top down.
Well, the king lives in The Hague.
Uh-huh.
Even though this is a palace, he actually lives there.
Okay.
But the thing about the kings and queens here
Yeah.
is that they're just for show, like they do
Okay.
nothing.
Okay.
Just represents the people.
Okay.
Something.
Is that Lebanon's flag?
Yeah.
The flag, is that Lebanon
Good question.
or Iraq?
Normally, this is also the place where people do some
Like,
movements,
yeah, like
like to get attention about certain matters.
demonstrations and stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
That is a big
And that's
ass.
the pigeon alley.
Okay.
People having fun with it.
Yeah, that seems. Hey, whatever gets you moving, I guess.